Hey guys, in this video we are going to be checking out the best stepladder you can buy right now. We made this list based on our personal opinion and hours of research, and we have listed them based on type of features and price. We have included options for every type of user, so whether you are looking for a best budget. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description below. So let's get started with video. Number 1. Little Giant Ladders Flip-N-Lite 6-foot stepladder. The Flip-N-Lite 6-foot stepladder with platform took the runner-up spot on our list of the best stepladders and boasts a super lightweight design that is industrial rated for added durability. There is a large standing platform in the top stair position for comfortably reaching your work area, and the slim profile makes it easy to store and transport this stepladder. Those who purchased and reviewed this stepladder appreciated that it weighs just 12.5 pounds, which makes it easy to move around the home. People said that it was easy to set up and liked the compact storage of it. Overall, reviewers said they found this ladder to be quite sturdy. It's certainly a more affordable option than our top pick, even if it's not quite as versatile. That said, the quality craftsmanship associated with the brand, as well as the ease of setup and use, more than justifies that price. It has a rating of 4.8 on Amazon with more than 1,700 people reviewing it, which we think goes a long way in convincing homeowners to make the investment. The high handrail, whenever you use it, provides you more strength and safety. And on the handrail, there's even a tool tray for nails, some tools, etc. However, for some tools like cordless drills or materials like paint cans, the narrow tray is not ideal. There have also been reports of some customers getting broken ladders. Plus, to maintain it in its crashed situation, there is no lock. Pros: excellent value for money. Great quality. Patented, convertible design. Ideal for industrial use. Cons: can wobble when fully extended. Number 2. Little Giant Ladder Systems 10410 BA Safety Stepladder. The Little Giant Ladder Systems 10410 BA Safety Stepladder is an excellent choice for those looking for a small stepladder. It features 4 extra large steps and is suitable for industrial, commercial, or home use. The tall safety bar provides added stability and security when reaching high, and the entire unit boasts a slim profile when not in use. The integrated work tray features 2 sturdy hooks perfect for hanging paint cans, buckets, or tools. The tip and pull wheels on the back legs make it easy to maneuver this ladder around the home, and it comes complete with a 1-year warranty. Those who purchased and reviewed this stepladder appreciated that it is easy to fold for storage and found it very maneuverable. Nearly everyone commented on how sturdy this stepladder was and liked that the treads were set to feel like walking upstairs while in use. This stepladder doesn't come cheap, but the quality craftsmanship associated with the brand, as well as the ease of setup and use, more than justifies that price. It has a rating of 4.8 on Amazon with nearly 400 people reviewing it, which we think goes a long way in convincing homeowners to make the investment. Pros: non-slip staircase design. Comfortable and sturdy. Adjustable safety handrail. Innovative top cap. Extra wide feet. Cons: the ladder is a bit heavy. Number 3. Louisville Ladder FS15088 Fiberglass Stepladder. Louisville Ladder FS15088 is a fiberglass twin stepladder. This 8-foot ladder has a duty rate of Type 1A with a load capacity of 300 pounds. Each stage has 6 big-headed, semi-tubular metal rivets to render the ladder even more sturdy. This double rivet building guarantees that under your weight the rungs will not bend at all. The job table built in at the bottom of the ladder is what we enjoy about this. It includes a bunch of handyman instrument boxes like 3 separate can carriers, a cordless drill holder, a 2-bracket holder, and a holder for the pipe. You don't have to use this ladder as a stairmaster if you already have all you need with you right there. We discovered it mildly hard to set up and put back, though. The bones on the rigid side are a little bit. Also, when purchasing from Amazon, there are a lot of customers who got scratched or used ladders. Although it is lightweight, the Louisville ladder has a lot of stability, with white inside U-shaped back braces that are vertically mounted and evenly spaced at 1-foot intervals to provide maximum stiffness. You can climb and stand on the steps with confidence as it has strong tubular rivets, and the pinch-resistant spreader that is positioned inside the ladder will help give you the stability you need in a stepladder as well as prevent them from getting hooked or damaged during transit. Each slip-resistant, double-rivet step construction step is secured with semi-tubular heavy-duty steel gussets for maximum strength and support. Pros: Ideal for a variety of different tasks. Innovative and elegant design. Smooth finish. Reliable and durable. Cons. Somewhat heavy to lug around. Number 4. Louisville Ladder -3016 lira 06-pound fiberglass stepladder. Louisville is America's largest manufacturer of ladders, so whether you need to do house renovations, clean out the eaves or prune some fruit trees, the Louisville Ladder -3016 lira 06 duty rating stepladder is an excellent choice for indoor and outdoor use. The brightly colored red and yellow stepladder is a great alternative to a heavy steel ladder. It is made out of lightweight full-channel, non-conductive red fiberglass that will give you years of durable service, and it is strong and also sturdy and can support up to 300 pounds. Although it is lightweight, the Louisville ladder has a lot of stability with white inside U-shaped back braces that are vertically mounted and evenly spaced at 1-foot intervals to provide maximum stiffness. You can climb and stand on the steps with confidence as it has strong tubular rivets, and the pinch-resistant spreader that is positioned inside the ladder will help give you the stability you need in a stepladder as well as prevent them from getting hooked or damaged during transit. Each slip-resistant, double-rivet step construction step is secured with semi-tubular heavy-duty steel gussets for maximum strength and support. It will stand securely on any surface as it has slip-resistant thick rubber feet to provide a sure footing. The ideal material for electrical work, full-channel fiberglass is non-conductive, so you can complete your tasks and stay safe from any electrical shocks or power surges. Pros. Good value for money. Quality ladder. Non-conductive full-channel fiberglass frame. Ideal for electrical work. Cons. Does not have a good height. Number 5. Werner 6212 stepladders, 12 feet fort. Werner has been the most trusted name in ladders, and they are the number one choice for professionals more than any other brand as their quality ladders are built to withstand even the most challenging tasks. The bright red and yellow 12-foot stepladder from Werner is specially designed for heavy-duty industrial use, which makes it the perfect ladder for most indoor and outdoor household projects, especially if you need to do some electrical work and need access to high ceilings. Whether you work on a commercial job site or are a serious digger, the Werner stepladder has been designed with a high level of functionality and will help you increase your productivity for any type of job, indoors or outdoors. It is constructed from lightweight fiberglass rails, which are electrically non-conductive, which makes it safe for use around electricity, and its safety rating of 1A means it has a weight capacity of 300 pounds, combined weight of user and materials. You will stay safe and secure as the slip-resistant traction tread aluminum steps are double-riveted and braced for a safer climb and descent, and the footpads are securely riveted to the edge structure for extra strength and support. Pros. Excellent quality. Bright red and yellow. Sturdy fiberglass frame. Can be used around electricity. Cons. Hard to store. Alright guys, that's all for now. Please leave a like on the video. If you are new here, hit that subscribe button and enable your notification bell icon to get the latest videos of our channel. Be sure to check out the description for links to find the most updated pricing on all the products mentioned in this video.